Hey, to lock apps with the password on the Realme 12 5G, you have to go into the settings. Now you will have to go into the security and the privacy, and then you will have to scroll down until you find this function uplock. So we have to simply open it, and now we have to click that we got it. And now click here to turn this feature on. And now we have to set the privacy password. So this is actually the password that will allows us to open this hidden apps. So click on the settings, and now we can input the 6 digits password, simple code, but we can also use a different password type, like for example the 4 digits from 4 to 16, or even pattern and alphanumeric. In my case, I'm going to use the pattern. We have to input it and then do this one more time. Now we get some security question and even the recovery via email. So of course it will be helpful if you forget this password. Now click here to finish, and if you want to lock any application, let's say that I want to do this with the booking.com, I have to just click on the switcher, and now when I finish I can even use my fingerprint to unlock this application. So let's say that I want to do this, and now when you click on the lock, you can actually find every application that is locked. So now let's open the booking.com, and as you can see now I have to use the privacy password, or when I click on the X and go back, I can scan with the fingerprint and I will open this application. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.